During the NBA finals, my husband said, "You can't make anything with curry. No curry in the house, no recipes with curry in it," because he is a big Cavs fan. And the rivalry team that they're playing against, of course, has Stephen Curry in it. So sadly, his team lost, and he said, "Honey, can you make something with curry?" So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make coconut chicken curry. And luckily, it is really healthy, and it is full of flavor and tasty. So that's not a problem. So let's go spice things up. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to add is about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. All right. So once your coconut oil has melted, we are going to add 1 small onion that I already chopped. Now I'm going to mince about 3 garlic cloves. And just give it a good stir. Now I'm going to add 2 chicken breasts that I already chopped up. And then stir that as well. Okay, for the seasonings, we are going to crush some salt and pepper. And a half a teaspoon of turmeric. And 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and then stir it. That's what gives it the beautiful color. And now we are going to grate some ginger, and we're just going to grate about a half a teaspoon. And then 2 teaspoons of sugar. And then I always cook up some rice in the rice cooker to go along with the curry. You'll want to add 1 can of coconut milk. And then just stir that. This is what will make the sauce for the rice. Make it nice and creamy. Give it the hint of coconut flavor. And then for the last, we are going to add 3 crowns of broccoli right into this. And basically cook it down until the broccoli is tender and the sauce reduces down a little bit. Make sure all the broccoli is submerged, and then put the lid on. By the time your rice is done, it should be done. And then it is done. So how I usually prepare this is, of course, I put it over some rice. But also I take some cilantro, put it over the top, along with squeezing some lime on it, and that just really just adds to it. You have to do that. So let's give it a try. Oh yeah. My husband had 2 plates full, and my son, my older son, he had 2 bowls full. So you know it's good. My family loves it. And if you have any questions, please comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.
Cranium, mandible, clavicle, scapula, sternum, ribs, vertebrae, pelvic girdle, humerus, radius, ulna, carpals, metacarpals, phalanges, femur, patella, tibia, fibula, tarsals, metatarsals, phalanges, calcaneus.